Welcome everyone to this video on a very important topic, acid-base indicators. Now, indicators are substances which can be used to distinguish between an acid and a base. Now, why is it possible for certain substances to differentiate between an acid and a base? This is because a few substances show different behavior in acidic and basic medium, because of which we are able to distinguish between an acid and a base. For example, certain substances have different smell in different medium. These indicators are known as olfactory indicators. For example, vanilla, clove oil, and onion juice. On the other hand, some substances have different color in acidic and basic medium. For example, turmeric and litmus solution. Now let's look at certain olfactory indicators. There are substances like clove oil, vanilla, and onion juice, which give different smell in different medium. These are olfactory indicators. For example, these substances give their characteristic smell in acidic medium, but their smell vanishes in basic medium. So depending upon the behavior, we can distinguish between an acid and a base using any of these three indicators. Now let's look at an example of turmeric. Turmeric gives different color in acidic medium and basic medium. In acidic medium, it retains its characteristic color, which is yellow, whereas in basic medium, it turns red in color or reddish brown in color. So depending upon the color change, one can easily distinguish between an acid and a base. Now let's look at a small activity to understand the action of turmeric on different compounds which we encounter in our daily life. Take 2 glasses of water, some lemon, a small amount of turmeric, detergent powder and vinegar. Now we will add a small quantity of turmeric to both the solutions and mix them well. Notice the change in color. The water becomes yellow in color. Now we will add a small quantity of detergent to one of the glasses. Remember that detergent is basic in nature. Carefully notice the change in color. The solution has turned red. This is because turmeric gives red color in basic solution. Next, we add a few drops of lemon to another glass. There is absolutely no change in color, and this is due to the fact that lemon is acidic in nature and turmeric does not change color in acidic medium. Now we will add vinegar to the second glass. Remember, vinegar is also acidic in nature, so we do not expect any change in color. And this is precisely what we observe. There is absolutely no change in color. Now we will add small quantity of vinegar to the first glass, and we notice that the color changes back from red to yellow. This is because vinegar, being acidic in nature, neutralizes the base. Assume that this concept of acid-base indicators is clear to you. Just to reinforce, indicators are substances which behave differently in different medium, and therefore they can be used to distinguish between an acid and a base. Indicators which change smell are known as olfactory indicators. So that's it in this video, and we will be back with many more videos on interesting topics. Thank you for watching.